Good afternoon, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax in beautiful Pompano Beach. What you're looking at is a 2016 Regal 35 Sport Coupe. Extremely clean, nice boat, big sunroof, stainless steel windshield caps, stainless steel windshield arms, walk-through windshield, which is a great feature. Let's come on down into the cockpit. Take a look at our helm area. This has joystick controlled steering. Twin Volvo 380 horsepower. That's right, not 300s, 380 horsepower, 300s in this boat. Only 182 hours on the engines. 4-zone fusion stereo with multiple remotes. Garmin VHF and a Garmin 7612 chart plotter. Up on the hardtop, flip down television out of the hardtop. Our entertainment area here under my glasses houses sink, trash can, and a full Kenyan electric grill. Outlets here for the blender, another remote for your fusion as well as more speakers, a hot and cold shower. Very innovative back seat. There's another video of that. You can see that it's multiple position. Cooler for carrying that clean ice for cocktails. This seat also goes back and forth. Of course, underneath this beautiful hardtop with the sunroof, there is cockpit air conditioning. Big portside lounger, and the table stores behind there. The entertainment center features a refrigerator and a wet bar. Let's go in and take a look at this boat. Infinity woven carpeting. There's our cockpit table, conveniently stored. Nice wooden steps, and Regal uses a synthetic wood floor, so you don't have to worry about bathing suits dripping on it. Another stainless steel refrigerator in the galley. Microwave. There's the head unit for the Fusion. Air feels great in here. Master berth forward with reading lights. Storage with hanging lockers. There are screens for the opening hatches. Nice windows on both sides. This bed converts with the flip of a switch to a larger bed for sleeping. TV on the bulkhead. Large, nice mid-cabin. All the filler cushions are stored underneath, and they have their own television for back there. Beneath the stairs. Central vacuum with all the attachments. Full-length mirror on the head door. Vacuum flush head. And the shower is built in this boat. That's going to conclude our tour of this awesome 2016 35 Regal Sport Coupe.